Stamping friends, this is Jill with Flourishing Finishes, and I'm really excited to be with you this morning. So I might have tried to do this over an hour ago, but that's okay. So the idea was that it was really early, my house was quiet, I got half my family off for the day, the other half was asleep, and I thought I have two Stampin' Up! Boxes here that I really want to open, and I thought you guys might want to see the new goodies that I got. So I thought we would unbox them together. A few hiccups, but here I am, and I hope you will stay with me to see the goodies that are inside. So let's dive in. So this box kind of got beat up, but we have a pretty stamp set. Oh, these are gorgeous. I can't wait to use those. The new cello bags, I like the size of them, very cute. Okay, this is like a bundle, so relaxing water side, you have the stamp set dies. I think this is not really that new, I just didn't have it. These are little, maybe I can't get it open. They're little anchors, super cute. And then we have paper. So I wanted you guys to see the paper that it comes with is really super cute. I had opened this because I thought I was recording, but I never hit record. So that's why this one's already out, like I did already start diving in. That paper's cute. I feel like that would be a pretty scrapbook page also. The bikes for birdies. Really versatile for masculine cards or neutral cards. Ocean. And then the ones that you can crop and make images with, which I love. So that's really, really cute. So I have 2 more packs of that because I love it. Another pack of paper. This is called Lovely Beautiful. I like to open the paper because I feel like you don't always get a good idea online. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. There's like gold to it. I don't know if you can see. So one side's kind of neutral. One side's kind of busy. The gold's in the center of that too. This is very pretty. Very pretty. You could probably use blends inside of those. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm really excited to kind of play with this. So that's really cute, and that was called Lovely and Beautiful. Okay, more paper. Paper Melody. This video might be a little long because I might have 5,000 papers, but if you know me, you know I love DSP, so it just comes with the territory, I guess. Okay, so that's cute. Oh, this is kind of like very neutral paper, maybe not even floral, which is nice. Oh, these are little tulips. That kind of looks like wallpaper or the paper you would put in your kitchen cabinets. See the tulips or just some stripes, some cute little flowers, or some paper. This is really nice. So it's very versatile. There's a lot of different colors in this. Dots or denim, black and white, or striped. Dots or striped. That's cute. So I have a couple packs of that. Oh, this is the Violet Dreams, and this comes with a bundle. I wonder if the other pieces will be in the other box. I'm not sure. So very beautiful. There are stamps and dies that go with it. If you know me, you know I love purple, so this is right up my alley. All my purple loving friends. I think you're gonna love it. Different shades of purple, which is nice. Oh, that's cute. Kind of like a blue stripe. We've got some design, and then we've got some argyle, maybe that's called. Another pattern, dots. Oh, and then we have cutouts. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna be very careful with that so I can get it back in the package. I love the ones with cutouts, so now I'm even more excited to play with that. Okay, this is water and dotted lines, 12 by 12, so they're kind of vellum. Oh no, this isn't. This isn't cardstock. This is the decorative masks. So I'm not sure if you guys had been eyeing the masks. So these are masks, and they're for 12 by 12. So you can have dots, or you can have whatever. People were wondering how sturdy they are. They're pretty sturdy. These would be super fun to paste, color, shade, blend. Super cute. Okay, I'm really excited about those. I wasn't sure how I felt. Okay. More paper, mixed up patterns. So just because they're saying it makes me curious. So let's check it out anyway. Okay, we got some flowers. Oh, some stripes. Some circles and some black. I like that. Some wood grain. Oh, and some zigzag. That's cute. Some green and some dot. Some more green. Some pink stripe. There's stripe in there. Yeah, some yellow design and then some blue design. That's another cute one. Versatile, and for those who don't love flowers, mostly not flower related. Okay, so this is, nope. Okay, so we have this one. I'm not going to open it, but it looks like it's Delicate Dreams. Okay, just kidding. I'll open it. Well, because you just never know. Okay. So I like that that's like denim. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. Okay, I think this is like the copper. Maybe. It definitely shimmers in person. The gray is nice. Oh yeah, it is the copper because, look at this. And then we've got some branches and some twigs. This does have some matching stamp sets and dies. I just have not got it yet. That's pretty. That looks kind of like the stamp set and dies. The green. Oh, that's pretty too. And then the blue and the darker. Oh, that's flowers and copper. So that is cute. I'm glad I opened that. I don't think I was expecting it to be that pretty. So then the last pack of paper from this box is everything, everyday essentials. Let's see what that means. So we've got some floral, which I think is super cute, and we've got some dots. Oh, we've got some, this is cute because then if you do a scrapbook page, that's really cute. Simple but nice. Some stripes. We've got some, what is that, gingham? Maybe not. And then we've got another tan splatter. We've got some lined paper, which is cute. For some floral on the back. That's beautiful. Just jade maybe, I'm not sure the color. I'd have to look on the back. We've got some pink, and then some pattern, and then some stripe, and some dots. That's cute. Okay, so that was box number 1. So let's come over here to box number 2 kind of quickly. New Stampin' Up! Scissors. They look very similar to the old Stampin' Up! Scissors. They're back. I think they are the same. I don't know, but you can get them now. Only one. If you can only get them as a demonstrator now, they'll be out to the public soon. I honestly can't remember. These dots actually go with the soccer online exclusive, but they're kind of large. They work really well for masculine, soccer, 4th of July, all kinds of things actually. So I was just getting another one of those. Okay, this bucket has some of the pre-order stuff in it. Let me see if I can find some stamp sets to go with these dies. Okay, so beautiful full embossing folder, stars and swirls. Probably goes with some of the Christmas stuff. Okay, if you were stamp sets, where would you be? Here we go. Okay, so this is what went with the beautiful paper. and the dies were in here. So that went with that paper that we looked at, the purples. This goes with a stamp set, but I don't know what this is. An embossing fold, a texture plate. This is a background stamp, super cute. Football fans. Festive cheers. This is going to be great for Christmas in July, guys. This is the purchase with $75. This is what you get for $5. How stinking cute is that? We have a stamp set with sayings, really cute, botanical expressions, woodland wishes. I think this stamp set is absolutely adorable. Okay. These are dies that go with some different stamp sets. The stocking, the festive cheer, the pretty poinsettia, Marius tags, fun for all. This goes with a fall stamp set I haven't shown you yet. The framed violets go with that stamp set in the purple paper. Here is a texture folder. Here's some fall festive. Oh, can you see fall festive folders? There's Halloween, fall, and Christmas. Some cute little embellishments of dots. Buttons, thank you, Chloe. A leaf that's gonna go with another one of these fall stamp sets. This is a stamp set that the leaf punch goes with. Okay. So here's some of the stamp sets that all those dies went with. Stitch stockings, that was the stocking that I showed you. Pretty poinsettia, I showed you those dies. Marius tags, I showed you those dies. This is a background-ish size. I love that. Inked floret, you can stamp it on color or white with color and use blends or watercolors. And then this was the fall one that I showed you the dies for. So super cute. And then I'm not going to open the paper. Well, okay. This is the only new paper I got because the other one was the bundle. It's a Christmas one with cardinals and kind of stitched patchwork. It came with the stamp sets and dies. So I'll show you the cute paper and then we will be done and you can move on with your day. Okay, so we've got patchwork and plaid. Oh, super cute. More cardinals and bluebirds or candy canes. Christmas tree or, okay, this is way cuter in person, guys. Yeah, some sort of pattern. Another little pattern that reminds me of a quilt my grandma used to make. Or flowers. Another quiltish pattern. Oh, that's cute. Or snowflakes. Another quilt pattern or, what is that called? Holly and berries. So yeah, super cute. So anyway, that's all, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time, I hope you flourish.